Think natural materials. Dishes are often served on woven flax mats or in carved wooden bowls. These elements add a touch of rustic elegance to any meal. And don't forget the garnish. Fresh herbs, colorful flowers, and even shells are used to add visual appeal and represent the bounty of nature. Remember, sharing is caring. Maori meals are usually served family style, with everyone gathered around a table laden with food. This encourages conversation and a sense of community. Section 5. Respecting the tradition authenticity in Maori cuisine. As we explore the world of Maori cuisine, it's essential to approach it with respect and a desire for authenticity. This means understanding the cultural significance behind the dishes, the ingredients, and the cooking methods. Start by researching and learning from authentic sources. Seek out recipes from Maori chefs and elders who have been passing down their knowledge for generations. And don't be afraid to ask questions. The more you learn, the more you'll appreciate the depth and richness of Maori cuisine. When selecting ingredients, try to source them locally and sustainably. Support Maori-owned businesses and farmers who are committed to preserving traditional farming practices. Remember, cooking Maori food is a privilege, not a right. Approach it with humility, respect, and a willingness to learn. By doing so, you can help to keep these traditions alive for generations to come.